Demonstrative pronouns.
أسماء الإشارة.
Hello there. Today, we are going to learn about singular demonstrative pronouns in Arabic. At the end of this lesson, you will know how to use this and that with masculine and feminine nouns in Arabic. So, what are demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns in Arabic, known as
أسماء الإشارة.
are words used to point to specific people or things, such as this and that. We use demonstrative pronouns to refer to people or things that are nearby or far away. For example,
هذا أحمد.
this is Ahmed.
ذلك بيت.
That is a house. In English, we use this to refer to something nearby. The word this in Arabic translates into
هذا.
and.
هذه.
We use
هذا.
with masculine nouns. And we use
هذه.
with feminine nouns. For example,
هذا رجل.
this is a man.
هذه امرأة.
This is a woman. The next one is demonstrative pronouns for things that are far away. In English, we use the word that, and in Arabic, it is translated into
ذلك.
for masculine nouns and
تلك.
for feminine nouns. For example,
ذلك كتاب.
that is a book.
تلك حقيبة.
That is a bag. Before we end our lesson today, let's check out some examples comparing demonstrative pronouns for masculine and feminine nouns in Arabic.
هذا جد.
This is a grandfather.
هذه جدة.
This is a grandmother.
هذا محاضر.
This is a male lecturer.
هذه محاضرة.
This is a female lecturer.
هذا ملعب.
This is a field.
هذه جامعة.
This is a university.
ذلك ولد.
That is a boy.
تلك بنت.
That is a girl.
ذلك سعيد.
That is Saeed.
تلك سعيدة.
That is Saida.
ذلك مختبر.
That is a lab.
تلك مكتبة.
That is a library. Alright. That's all for today. See you next time.